Is it the right time to make a decision about buying or selling Ford stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Ford. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 15, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is solely for informational purposes and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 4, 2023, our system has ranked Ford as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.47. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Ford has exceeded our expectations, gaining an impressive 12.34% since we first recommended buying it just 10 days ago. This means the stock has been delivering an average return of 1.23% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend, making it a potential opportunity for short-term traders to sell. This trend suggests that the stock may react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks through the upper trend line at $12.05, it could indicate a slower falling rate or even a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of -14.81% over the next 3 months. This means that the stock could potentially have a return between -37.15% and -14.62%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a -8.38% change over the next year. This translates to a potential return between -27.09% and 12.28%. So, after a year, the stock could be valued between $8.76 and $13.50. Our latest update on Ford shows that the stock experienced a red day on Friday, losing 0.497%. On the last trading day, Friday, December 15, 2023, the Ford stock price declined from $12.08 to $12.02, representing a decrease of -0.497%. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $11.93 and a high of $12.17, with a 2.01% fluctuation. It's worth noting that the stock has risen in 8 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 13.61% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally considered a positive sign as volume should follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by -35 million shares, with a total of 64 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $767.25 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $15.42, while the lowest price was $9.63. Currently, the price is 22.05% or $3.40 below the 52-week high, and it is also 53.54% or $13.85 below the all-time high recorded on January 13, 2022, when the price reached $25.87. Analyzing analyst ratings. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, Citigroup reported a hold grade for F with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 1, 2023, Burrell & Company upgraded F to overweight with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, November 1, 2023, Barclays also upgraded F to overweight with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, UBS initiated coverage on F with a buy grade. On Tuesday, August 1, 2023, Daiwa maintained a neutral grade for F with a hold action. Analysts have unanimously given Ford stock a strong buy rating. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more neutral perspective. Let's take a look at the signals identified for Ford. The Ford stock is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which is a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also indicates a general buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support at $11.34 and $10.46. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it would issue sell signals. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also gives a buy signal. On the flip side, there have been some negative signals as well, which might have an impact on the near short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 14, 2023, and so far the stock has fallen by -0.497%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Interestingly, the volume of trading has fallen along with the price, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's giving us a buy signal. Moving on to pivots, we had a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger is indicating a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average is showing a sell signal 13 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average is giving us a buy signal 11 days ago. When we look at the relation between the short and the long moving averages, we had a buy signal 9 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average is indicating a buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average is also showing a buy signal 3 days ago. When we consider the relation between the short and the long moving averages, we had a buy signal 85 days ago. If you want to find more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Ford. Let's start with support levels. Currently, the stock finds support just below its current level at $10.26 and $9.96. When a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Ford's next support level can be found just below today's level at $10.26, and if that is broken, then the next support will be at $9.96 and $9.77. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with Ford. This stock has average movements during the day and good trading volume, which means the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock moved $0.240 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 2.01% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.03%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Ford, let's start with some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio could suggest low expectations for the company's future or indicate that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $0.140. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's analyze some potential day trading levels for Ford. If Ford follows an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $12.08. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this could be a promising level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Ford faces its first support level at $10.26. If this support level holds strong, it could present a favorable entry point, potentially leading to a rebound in the stock's price. The combined average rating for Ford from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 8, 2023, Field John Douglas conducted an insider buy of 182,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent. On December 1, 2023, Ford William Clay Jr. conducted an insider buy of 62 shares of Ford stock units. On December 1, 2023, Weihmeyer John B. conducted an insider buy of 2,670 shares of Ford stock units. On December 1, 2023, Hellman William W. conducted an insider buy of 696 shares of Ford stock units. On December 1, 2023, Cassiano Kimberly A. conducted an insider buy of 3,151 shares of Ford stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 31.821. Overall, insiders purchased 2,779,171 shares and sold 1,378,717 shares in the last 100 trades. Based on our analysis, we recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $11.59, representing a decrease of 3.55%. This particular stock is known for its moderate daily movements, which implies a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 82, indicating a substantial increase in risk. Moreover, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 1 day ago, further supporting our recommendation. Is Ford stock a good buy? Although Ford holds several positive signals, we believe it is not yet a strong buy candidate. It is currently recommended as a hold or accumulate position while we await further development. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day suggests that the current price of Ford stock is undervalued. For trading on Monday, December 18th, we expect Ford to open up $0.0200 and start trading at $12.04. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on this particular stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so don't hesitate to comment below. What price are you targeting for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our future videos. We wish you success in your trading journey and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.